Hi everyone, I am Pooja from Group 4 and we have Hargun, Mandeep, Ramesh and Riddhi in our group. Introduction to Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is a precise way to eliminate steps that don't enhance customer value. The Lean Six Sigma technique guarantees top caliber and consumer loyalty in assembling. Lean Six Sigma is not limited to any particular sector or organization. It can be practiced at any sector where people, process, and technology is involved. An organization that follows Lean understands customer value and focuses its key processes to continuously increase it. The ultimate goal is minimizing resources. If a process has not been Lean multiple times, it contains some waste. Lean can increase efficiency, cycle time, productivity, reduction of material cost. Next is Riddhi, and she will be discussing the key learning points from the field project.
Hello everyone, I'll be discussing about the key learning points. So the major step in problem solving is identification of correct problem statement. It provides a clear description of the area of concern. So next is importance of process. A process is collection of all the tasks performed to finish a particular process in a sequence so that we can get the desired output. So when a Lean Six Sigma team members, they have to be aware about the interdependencies of the task in a particular project. Then the next is specification of goals. When goals are defined, it becomes very easy to set a deadline for every milestone and division of the task among the team members. Then next is improve process. So the main goal of Lean Six Sigma practitioners is to reduce waste and improve efficiency of any project. And then management has to also ensure that the project requirements are fulfilled properly and they are on track, and there shouldn't be any problem as such when a project is going on. Lean Six Sigma experts have to make sure that they protect a healthy environment and the work culture is really good in other companies. Next is something my colleague will speak upon. Thank you.
This is Ramesh, and I'm going to brief about the literature review on the topic of defining the goals. Setting up goals is an important part of achieving a target as it acts as a reference points on your path. Whenever a Lean Six Sigma expert is called for consultation, he goes through his data and conducts some interviews from the employees in the industry or any company to gain valuable insights, which would be very helpful for him in resolving their issues. He uses some of his tools like YY diagram, RCA, fishbone diagram, and others under his belt according to his standard like green belt, yellow belt, or black belt. And he defines a project charter which outlines the goals that must be met to overcome the issue. And now I'll ask Mandeep to continue.
Thank you, Ramesh. So one of the concepts we looked at in detail and is maybe one of the most prominent aspects of working as a team is the concept of handling resistance. And this can essentially differentiate between a thriving work environment versus a toxic and non-productive work environment where new ideas and concepts are not often being brought up and implemented. This can obviously lead to a very inefficient work environment, which can cost a lot of time, money, and as well as talent for both the company and the clients. So it's important to make everyone involved aware that they can speak up at any time and challenge any ideas or work that they do not feel comfortable with, and that there won't be any negative consequences for doing so. So in that sense, using Lean Six Sigma concepts, it's important to develop a work culture and environment where new ideas and concepts are encouraged and workers are not afraid to speak up. I'm gonna now pass it on to Hargun.
Thank you, Mandeep and Ramesh, for explaining about the Lean Six Sigma and its tools. Now I will explain briefly about the interviews which we conducted. We actually conducted 3 interviews with the Black certified expertise. They were Stephen Buck from IRCC, Harpreet Singh from Western Financial Group, and Abhiraj Singh from BDO Canada. As all they were Black certified from their background. So we asked some basic questions regarding what challenges they face issues in their past project, what differences did they notice over the years of the practicing Lean Six Sigma expert, how did they deal with the customers, what selection criteria they are having for every project as they are dealing with the different kinds of project, and how they select for the particular approach like DM, AIC or their tools. As they were having a 5 years of more experience in their field, so they were so sure about the outcomes they got using the different techniques of Six Sigma. As per their experience, they told us we need to use Pareto chart, fishbone diagram, RCA, FMEA, CPCK tools, and we need to re-verify it, the outcome of from one tool to another, so that we can reassure it. So this was all brief about our field project. We have added the links of our videos in the description also. You can watch it and just let us know. Thank you.
Okay, that's the beauty of Six Sigma, I can say that. You can work in any field, any industry. The reason why I'm saying so, everywhere there is a process. How you make a car, right? You get a conveyor line, you assemble the parts, and then the car runs.
It is a very common notion that you have to follow all these rules to be agile, you have to follow all these rules to be a good project manager. All those rules that are mentioned in the book are to help you. You can pick and choose, of course, like there's no size that fits all. You will have to pick and choose that works. That Lean Six Sigma by itself can be a very costly affair and very hard at times to incorporate. When we mix it with, say, Agile, which becomes a very interesting concept. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it or heard about it or not. It's called Scale Agile.